attention TV say we be akwaba e dey eba so nsema etwego our social media so and never so our attention TV so your Facebook and YouTube as attention Tvgh. Subscribe, like, comment and also share. Follow, like, comment and also share. Be the first to get our videos by pressing on the notification bar. I will say nsema etwego I want entertainment industry ni mo na never so mo ye name say Kofi Adoma wani akoye broadcaster Edema Angel FM Angel TV na nche ye bia ne birthday ni mo ana obe acknowledge ne wife e friend miracle e won send bebre e dey about critics and said the one dey about the latest one e trend any queen Afia Schwar ono nso e dey ne dey abetwa bonte a woche Manchester kam yakoye se Kofi Adoma wani o kam yakoye se won ka nukure bi san fi se ono ankasa no onimo bia Kofi Adoma ni na da onipa no kra no eye wari na we ana ye kopie mu nso e wa Angel FM Angel TV so a Kofi Adoma so e de nkyeremu nso e de aba se wo kyerem a kyerɛ se edan bi a na yere miracle e kotua ho ka onye obi opa foforo e kotena mu no enum ode nkyeremu e de aba fi se kam yakoye se story na wo kan ye Ghana fo anti asie yie e hono mo anso ana na ya abrafo no so e broadcaster e de ma Angel TV Angel FM and so e de nkyeremu ana so waja be critics a wono nso nsema wo kan ni na won ti asie yie fi so no akasa je to mu se nsem ni pie mu mebi no ono ankasa kra eke bi a waja be Kofi Adoma wani omo kaka nsem bire yenko na yenko tie wo ho embassy a
na yei na afa ni kunechi na yei kum chacha na nanim se antro hwe bini kum chacha benya me wase bakanya e Kofi Adoma discussing na little did I know say you too you an abusive husband Kofi Adoma. Are you calling public sympathy? And so I can't say no. Madam for Sandra cry na wudi no. Now wudi Sandra our London our your married woman. But who decided say maybe more than maybe couldn't yourself. And that is where you have your daily meal. So Kofi TV was about me. Uwe no wa abandon wo first wife akofo wo bi yira betira na miracle wudi twase wate abwanchonre me say na me se me nkasa ma yedi na me jogo Kofi Adoma na so boy wa ko twitwu se by publicity ya on woni ma wade mu nsem no udidi wo afranto asuo nya ma nyebo ho dua uwie no pesa wo de o kama de betire mu de enti a waja wo yira wo ne na wo akofo ba afofo be jana miracle woni twasire wo Kofi Adoma woni twasire enem ka che woni twasire wanim tro ka se aben wotwe nkwan nyame tuo ka with sa energy na wo fa amasem so a wuti se cross nyame tuo ka nyame fa wakatua nkan ena ma miracle abuo ne wona sia. You see how you people are quick to defend yourselves, but you run somebody down for your personal interest so that you will eat. Nyamin tiaoka, asemna wabi wano kansa odi aye oba fofo no. Nyamin tiaoka, say, and you are going about sleeping with people's wives. Sandra, me madam for Sandra, I go no London. No, you'll be here. But many about assemble no wo Kofi Adoma wo ye interviews che obi a and that me imagine say ye wade na ebon you ye na sa asem no koto ye and abet now you want to play a victim when you na nyame di mu bedi se me mother me sum nyame na me bom paye na me tua aforebo na me hwe nyanka de nyame ni mu nyira bedi nyame be tua wo ka wo Kofi Adoma. You are a liar, shut up. You are an abuser and a cheater.
And I low say there is esteem.
Yeah.
Or no esteem.
Yeah.
Oh, they made the money matemo. Me tina me ka say me nkwasi asem bi amadi. Me no me gitum say me di nkwasi asem. But nyame adom. Sometimes when I'm thanking God, I'm sure Ghana ha. So Ghana ha oyo ba na onyem. Na wanyia. You be too saying was sorry.
Yeah.
But say we here, we to me at Nassau communion.
Ghanaians
don't want to see you tell them you have sinned.
Yes.
Ghanaians want you to cover your sins
and condone the sin.
Oh, okay. I was bold to say it because it is my past, and I don't ever have a plan so I'll revisit my past. It is my past, and I am happy where God has taken me and where He is taking me. Yemeka che onyina say obi asembe ya tobo. It is a bebre no amo bre e wo mu wiase amoba ye because you just jumped into conclusion. You put somebody in unnecessary pain, and because of that you are suffering. Asembe ye tie mu ye pa ye tie. That day I didn't get the time to explain the whole story because not time in the whole. So what you have, you can put one and two together. I told you Miracle was there. Miracle has been married since. Even with that, because of I moved on and lived with another so in a house bought by Miracle. Low self-esteem. Go and ask the number of people. Minister Bakushia, me no say Kofi na de waye de wanya de na me say minister na de asema. I say Charlie, you've taken my woman. Now me say I never knew. You know ministers and you know say we say my birthday ankasa ni. Birthday ni Friday.
We are chopping the birthday. The whole week, the whole month.
And that's no.
Want to say to me top. Kofi come on.
Come on.
Come on, you be dibi pa. Na e be kwa sport aba. What you say? Asem no nim na ni so aka wan to. What you obi de? Na wan tie ba akode a. Ya twa so. Because Kofi yakura no, we are at fault. Yeah. Me ne ya teri. Ene kwa me na. Ene e di watam dia na asem ketwa.
Hey.
You can grab it like when we cry, I don't know. Then to Sunday, you know, then to want to that. Sunday jail, who did jail by Sunday, you know, saying him, then the show. When you I say, I take you, Moon, and it's you. Who says I cry, Madame Cassava. And to more nam periphery, I munim the Amoka. No more church and some to say their motive your hobby. Look, won't you be a warrior? I said one. Yeah, Chasso. We are all pretend you are trending. Not trending in the right direction. Someone say you are calling a lawyer, Samson, lad, and Yenny. But yes, I'm not seeing. Your wife is a very good woman. Oh, no, that you're down for.
What you are asking about? Oh, I thought Miracle. Kofi's wife is a very good person.
Wife.
Oh. Adam Miracle. Oh, what's meaning? Adam Miracle. No, yeah,
Kofi.
Oh, Kofi's yere. Oh, wonderful person. Oh, yes, what a very nice, very wonderful person.
Very wonderful.
Look at the way Kofi is laughing. You think that Kofi can laugh and she's not good? If the woman is not good, when Kofi comes here, the whole studio will be on fire. Unim yere fie good wa uba juma bese. Oh, juma bese.
Attitude cry.
You ni baby so Kofi Adoma yesterday wo da we. Because ube who no face no cry be change. Huh?
I tell you, be pain.
Your chew is big.
Hey.
Which was the meaning? What's the meaning of what?
Some time ago, now Kofi Adoma me fe. But I'm saying that my
but he's always smiling.
Very open and
that shows yes, very
more
nice.
Lovely.
Yes, the wife is a very nice person. Very nice person. Yeah, so Kofi is blessed. So in your next life you marry her again.
Amen.
Bam.
I received this prophecy.
Bam.
I received this prophecy.
Bam. I will share. Unim said there's one person that I thought was very rude. Ocheno, Nana.
Okay.
Or you'll be on Crawford can once and pan and abans him born or channel and that they look, if you don't come close to that lady, a bear said, dear walker can assign here. And your force get close to somebody and Sawakan once him. When you be ending pudding poo. Who ye and you're possible so bet me who obia. But at least give everybody that benefit of the doubt. Answer. Where be one waka will be a summer who's shan that. Oh, let me tell you. And a Roman for will be baby, and I'll be a friend confession. Ubako who suffer no catch and our father. So I am from so on Mompire Mount now uncle who be. So sanity. Well, any idea bit me ama watching what film because once you've confessed it, it's very difficult. It's very difficult for you to go back to it. A lot of people have been in it, and yet in a good situation. I wouldn't be happy. Me many just am worried I'm gonna go for baby aba. And yamite. But it's see what me fear pain. Men 2 million ton train. I am from so. Wajatum. Papa chow. E nipa. Ye dem from so che. It's say. Yesu Kristo ebe wuje yen nkwa ye boni bebrebe ye boni tantan boni a ye yesie obe wuje yen nkwa se be ya ye boni obetimi dia cheye enu nti ne ye kwa asore se ye ntumi fo obi boni nche no na ebe te se we no ebi nsi da se we ye sofo se we ye lawyer ni se we ye centroni. So we are role model, so we are role model, whoever you are, we are human. Ye nipa de dikan. Answer. Nipa bi de to me bi a shayensa. And I do maybe de to me bi a shayensa. But the dikan say nipa. And to so for to me worry no I mistake. Now I tell worry. We don't crucify them. If they confess, admit their fault. Now almost slap on the facha. Only why Adasa. We are not here, we walk off from Sawon Fanche. Now, Becca wants some nyatrum. And the way you want to the year, Brew Gunning. Yeah, how you don't know. Because the politician is afraid to even come and tell you the truth. So they go about finding ways to defend things that are indefensible. Near more my young decisions be on my taking your papa. I respect as a males for what they did then. Then look, maybe I can't one-time premium. I would say, yes, I can't no. You ain't to me fun yet. Technocrats, na catch and say, ye. Intimate to us. Yaka, waka no crano so. Get your check. Let's learn to teach our children to say the truth. Let's educate them to let them know this. They are humans. Wamunya niya to obey me a phone. Yet no more, omit me ya can crack train near to an amount. So we all
Ebusia University Foundation on as much now with media. Ever so more our attention TV so the number NS054 8302985. Attention TV cinema Monisha Monity.